Good morning, children. Now, today we will start a new lesson on the conjunction. Now, it's a chapter 14. If you have got your book, please open on page number 47. Now, here the conjunction. Conjunction means conjunction means two different sentences. When they're joined together, that we call it as a conjunction. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. Example, Tom has failed, but Peter has passed. So here Tom and Peter, they are both the different, but one is passed and one is passed and other one is failed. So but they are, both the sentences are connected by the word but. Here 5 and 5 make 10. Here 5 plus 5 make 10. So and is used here. So and is joined by two different sentences. John and I went for a walk. John and I. So here and is used for connecting. John and I went for a walk. Now there are different kinds of sentences. The sun set, the night fell. Now here which word which you will use to connect both the sentences? The sun set and night fell. So here we'll make use of the word and. Bali has failed, Ashok has passed. Again here again we'll use the word Bali has failed, but Ashok has passed. You work hard, you will fail. Work hard or you will fail. So these are the words or, but, and, yet, still. These are the words which are joining two of equal sentences or equal rank, like Bali has failed but they have passed. Ashok has passed. Work hard or you will fail. So the words which is used to join two sentences of equal rank or equal order together is called coordinating junction. Again I'll repeat this. The word which is used to join two sentences, दो अलग अलग sentences को join करते हैं of equal rank, दोनों अगर equal हैं or order together is called coordinating junction. Now we'll see more sentences about it. Study the following sentences. I like him because he is honest. I know where you were born. I will do this if I am allowed. He is happy though he is very poor. Here though, if, were, because. I know when he will come. Now here all the sentences are unequal. They are not related. I know him. I know when he will come. So the conjunction, यहाँ से शुरू करूँगी ना, शुरू करो. A conjunction that joins together two sentences of unequal rank is called subordinating junction. Now here unequal ranks. He is happy though he is very poor. I know when he will come. If you do this, if I am allowed. I will do only this when you allow me. I know where you were born. So these are all unequal related ones. So when such sentences they come, they are called as coordinating junctions. So there are two kinds of junctions, coordinating and sub-coordinating junctions. There is one more pair where we make use of word either or, neither nor, both and. So these are the words which when we use it in a sentences, they are called as correlated. Either you take this or leave it. Either he is rich, he is either rich nor poor. So in both the ways, both the sentences go together. Such conjunctions are used in pairs. They are called as correlative conjunctions or correlatives. So when only these two, both and, neither nor, either nor, or when they are used, they are called as correlating conjunctions. So there are different conjunctions where you are going to make use of this word, and how you can use the word and, where you will use the word but, where you will be using or, else, otherwise, unless you work hard you will fail, or work hard otherwise you will fail, by using so, therefore, because, as, since. So these are the other words. All are, they represent themselves in different sentences. So they are called as a coordinating conjunctions or subcoordinating conjunctions. Thank you.